Hello class, this is Mr. Perez. I'm gonna teach you how to make a Wix website. First, you need to go to Wix and create a new account. Once you do, you're gonna get options as what type of page you want to create. And your page will look something like this. I want you guys to go to design and choose designer. Once you do that, you're gonna get different options for templates. Okay? Get the graphic design portfolio, which is this one. It's a free design. Once you do, you get into the site and you can do some changes to it. Okay. For the class, you're gonna use that template. Later, you can choose a different one. So once you go to the portfolio, you go to edit. And once you go to that, you go to the website editor. And it's gonna look different then because you can make changes. Now, up here, the different options that you can't see because of this advertisement bar. That's kind of like annoying, but it's there, and this is free after all. So the first thing I do, I go to the page menu. I just click there, and you're actually gonna get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This resume one, I added it myself. This is how you add pages. Be careful because if you have selected the portfolio one, it will add pages to the portfolio. As you can see, the portfolio one has more pages below it, meaning that if I go to that one, whoops, you actually get to see more pages. If I hit the plus sign, you see the sub pages that are there. Right now, there's 9 pages on that side. I can add another page to it, and it will show right below it. Let's say a project 10. I have 5 that people can see, 6 to 9. You can't see it. You see that eyeball? It means that you can't see it. I'm going to make page 5 invisible to people. So if I click there, I go to hide. Then people looking at my website will not be able to see it. It's a good page to play with. For example, I can go to page 5 and I can do changes. And then later, the pages actually will be changed, but nobody can see until you publish. So let's say that I go to about, okay, see, that's wrong here. That's a resume. I need to change it to arts 2313. That's part of the main navigation of the page. That's a disclaimer that I have, when I say that the images that I'm gonna show on the website, they're made by the people. So right now, let me go back to page menu so I can see the pages that I have. Okay, in about, that's where you talk about yourself. Contact, that's where you put an email, how to contact you. I would stay away from a phone number because you don't want your phone number on the internet. Unless it's a business phone, I will stay away from it. They can contact you on web, and that thing will send an email to you. On a blog, you can put a link to your blog if you want, that blog that you created, or you can actually create a blog here. On the resume page, here you can add text. I actually literally copied this text that was here. You can go Command C or Alt C for copying the PC. Then I can go paste, and you can actually move it. And you see how the page know where you're at. It kind of keeps the alignment really nicely. So that's a way to do it. And then I could change this part. I can edit the text. Once I go to that, I can change, for example, the alignment of the text. I want it aligned left. I already created one for education. Maybe I want to do one for experience, which is something you put on your resume. Okay, now it's time to save what I've done. There's 2 ways to do it. You can do it with the shortcut on the keyboard, Command S, or you can go, which is really easy, to save. And then I go, okay, let me publish it as well. I'm gonna copy this to keep track of the link, or I can go view site, and there you get a preview of the site. Okay. See, if I go down here, there's portfolio, there's a resume. And this is what we add to the resume, the experience part. So I hope this helped you get started with the Wix page. Have fun creating this. Remember, here you're gonna put the images for your portfolio. So you're gonna put the images of the year. So when I go here to portfolio, for example, project 1 should be the elements project. Of course, you're gonna have your images there, you know, and it's just really easy to get those. Page menu, let me go for it. You just double click there. Whoops. Let me go back to, again, I'm sorry, to page menu, project 1. Just to change it, you can just double click. You can delete images from there. If you don't like the ones the page have, you shouldn't have them there. You know, it's not your images. Go to add images and bring images that you have in JPEG format, and they should be at a very low resolution so they don't take too much space on the internet, under 100K. To bring new images, go to upload images, and then that's how you get images imported. You know, I just click on them and you go choose. I'm not gonna do so now, but do that and then you can upload. It's pretty intuitive. I hope you have fun with the Wix page. Enjoy and take care.